First drift boat launch in Panama. You might be wondering to yourself, what the hell is a drift boat doing in Panama? Well, tarpon, that's what. You see, I started fishing Panama about a decade ago. It didn't start out on the river. This is what held my attention for a while. I came by myself, then with clients, started hosting. It turned into an annual event. And then I met this guy, Mr. Ricardo Piscina. Ricardo is definitely one of my best friends. This guy showed me the future. He showed me what I was missing, what I hadn't seen yet. He helped me get started in this whole thing. He messaged me over Instagram several years ago and was like, "Hey, you should come fishing with me." These are some of the early days of fishing the Bayano River. Fishing out of small pangas, even a dugout fiberglass canoe. I was hooked. There was no going back. So we took a client, Mr. Greg, over to the river. Just to make sure it wasn't just me that could catch them there. I wanted to make sure anybody could do it. And that's when I told Ricardo about it. I was like, "Bro, we gotta get a drift boat here." He wasn't too sure. It's always the same. Back to Colorado. Back to the daily grind at home.
Back to the net. Let's put it back in there.
I knew I had to get him out here so he could experience what a drift boat was like.
On the sticks here today.
We put him on a plane, got him out here, showed him the drift boat, and over the next 5 days, we absolutely slayed the fish. After that, he knew we definitely need this boat there. So how do you get a drift boat to Panama? Well, you need a good helper first. That's my wife, Anna, and my daughter, Isla. None of this would have been possible without my wife. She absolutely crushed it when it comes to logistics for this kind of stuff. We had to take the boat to Texas, take it down to Freeport, down to a big shipping yard, where we parked it and just prayed for the best. It worked out. A couple weeks later, it was in Panama, and we got to take it out of customs. That's when we started preparing for our test season. We gathered clients, and we headed to Panama in January.
The shipping yard for storage yard.
Over the next month, we fished every day, and it was awesome. No doubt about it, we had found the Holy Grail.
I seen him come out and chase that thing.
What can I do?
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, these are Pacific tarpon. These fish crossed through the Panama Canal 100 years ago and set up shop here. They really shouldn't be here, but they are. And there is a lot of them. Over that month of fishing, I think we caught at least 150 tarpon. We had a day where we caught 35 of them in one day. It was absolutely incredible. Better than I could have expected. Snook, tarpon, and machaca are primary targets in this river system. This is without a doubt the best place in the world to catch Atlantic tarpon out of the Pacific Ocean.
Tarpon on.
There is so much different water to fish here. This is just a little backwater, almost a creek. When the water is high, it pushes all the bait into the back of these creeks and eddies. And well, that's where all the fish are going to be.
I'm going to push this up in there, but straight, get up in there a little bit quicker.
Did you say in there?
Fish on! Hell yeah. Nice! Tarpon. Is it?
Dabalitu.
Cool, Greg. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. Greg had him a slam. It's got a slam already today. All right, let's get drunk.
Great idea, Greg.
Nice.
While it's not a
release,
huge
Captain.
tarpon, this is just a really cool place to be in a drift boat catching a fish. In this scene, you're going to see us go from an all-time high to an all-time low in the matter of 30 seconds. You never know what's going to happen. Be careful where you put your rod.
3, 2, 1, boom. Tarpon.
Oh yeah.
Got him! Get in, bro!
I am God.
Awesome,
I am
dude.
God.
I want that.
Oh yeah. Drift boat tarpon club. There we go.
I seen him make a wig from up there, and I was like, street.
Double. No.
Make a wig from up there, and I was like, street.
Oh wait.
Yeah,
oh
double.
my God.
Broke it.
He broke off. Mine broke off too.
From 1 fish to 2 fish, back down to 0
Oh,
fish.
it's off.
Happens that quick. Better luck next time, boys.
I lost my shit when you guys were finding the other one. I got like, what?
Fucking rod was about to go out the boat.
While you're here, you're going to be fishing a lot of different water. You're going to be fishing small tributaries, big muddy banks, cliff walls, rapids, riffles, eddies, you name it. We're going to fish it because there's fish there. The flies we use are pretty simple. You're better off to tie 2 or 3 different sizes and 2 or 3 different colors out of bait fish, just like these. There are some shrimp and that kind of stuff, but your general stuff is going to be like this. It's very similar to Western river fishing. We're just floating down the river, casting at banks, looking for fish that are moving, trying to put the boat in the best position for opportunity. If this sounds like drift boat paradise to you, that's because it is. It's absolutely beautiful here in Panama. You never know what the day is going to bring. Something new just around every corner. This isn't just a fishing trip, it's an experience. It's a club that you belong to, not a lodge. In this scene, you're going to see Greg square off with a tarpon in the toilet bowl. This is the very top of our river system. It's a hydroelectric dam. There's a big eddy pool with a huge current that comes out. Great place for fish to be hiding. There's also a 12-foot crocodile that lives here. That's why we deploy the net. Hope you enjoy.
There we go.
Oh, nice, dude.
Nice, Greg.
Slow release. Keep on the hold of them. Then when you go in. Alright, I gotta get us out of this situation. We're about to get in.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our film. I really appreciate all the help I've had throughout the years in this. Special thanks goes out to Ricardo, and you are one hell of a brother. I truly appreciate your friendship. Everybody else that I've met along the way that has helped me, my wife, support behind Western Anglers Fly Shop, it's really means a lot to me. This has been a huge project to take, and the success has been very well received. We appreciate everybody that is booked and everybody that continues to book. We will see you down in Panama this winter at the Drift Boat Tarpon Club.